In a world of overflowing closets and relentless consumerism, where we are constantly bombarded with advertisements and the pressure to buy more, a quiet revolution is taking place. This revolution is not loud or flashy, but it is powerful and transformative. People are discovering the transformative power of minimalism, a lifestyle that prioritizes experiences over possessions. They are finding joy in the simple things, like spending time with loved ones, engaging in hobbies, and enjoying nature. Minimalism is not about deprivation but about intentionality. It is about making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives and focusing on what truly matters. It is about surrounding yourself with things that spark joy and letting go of the rest. This process can be incredibly liberating and can lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. This essay will explore the principles of minimalist living and how it can help you thrive, especially during challenging economic times. We will look at how minimalism can lead to financial freedom by reducing unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly adds value to your life. We will delve into practical tips for decluttering, mindful consumption, and cultivating contentment. These tips will help you create a home and a life that is free from clutter and filled with joy. Join me on this journey towards a simpler, more fulfilling life. Together, we will explore how minimalism can bring clarity, peace, and happiness. Let's begin by understanding the essence of minimalism and how it can pave the way for financial freedom. By embracing simplicity, we can create a life that is rich in experiences and free from the burden of excess. Minimalism, at its core, is about living with less. It's a lifestyle choice that encourages you to focus on what truly adds value to your life and to let go of the rest. By decluttering your physical space, you also create mental clarity and emotional peace. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and removing the excess. This means not just physical items, but also commitments, relationships, and activities that don't serve your long-term goals. By doing so, you create more time and energy for the things that truly matter. When you embrace minimalism, you naturally reduce unnecessary spending. You become more conscious of where your money goes and start to question every purchase. Is it something you need? Or is it just adding to the clutter? You become more mindful of your purchases, choosing quality over quantity. This means investing in items that are durable and serve multiple purposes, rather than buying cheap, disposable goods. Over time, this shift can lead to significant savings. This shift in mindset can have a profound impact on your finances, especially during tough economic times. By focusing on what you truly need, you can create a budget that aligns with your values and goals, making it easier to stick to. With fewer material desires, you are less likely to fall into debt or experience financial stress. You can pay off existing debts faster and avoid accumulating new ones. This financial freedom allows you to live a more relaxed and fulfilling life. You free up resources that can be used for experiences, savings, or investments, creating a more secure financial future. Imagine having the financial flexibility to travel, pursue hobbies, or invest in your education. These are the true rewards of a minimalist lifestyle. In the next section, we'll explore actionable steps to begin your minimalist journey and start decluttering your life. We'll provide practical tips and strategies to help you make the transition smoothly and sustainably. Stay tuned for a transformative journey towards financial freedom and a more meaningful life. Embracing minimalism begins with decluttering. It's the first and most crucial step towards a simpler, more intentional life. It's about consciously choosing what brings joy and value to your life. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's about making room for what truly matters. Start by tackling one area of your home at a time. Whether it's your closet, kitchen, or even just a single drawer, focus on one space to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? This question, popularized by Marie Kondo, helps you determine the emotional value of your possessions. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. This act of gratitude makes it easier to part with things that no longer serve you. Donating, selling, or responsibly discarding items that no longer serve you creates space for what truly matters. It's a way to give your items a second life and help others in the process. As you declutter, you'll likely be surprised by how much you've accumulated and how liberating it feels to let go. Each item you release is a step towards freedom and simplicity. This process of decluttering is not merely about tidying your physical space, it's about creating mental clarity and opening up possibilities. a minimalist environment fosters a sense of peace and allows you to focus on what truly enriches your life. As you simplify your surroundings, you'll begin to experience the profound benefits of minimalism. With less clutter, you'll find that cleaning becomes easier and less time-consuming. You'll have more time and energy for activities that bring you joy, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. The joy of less extends beyond your physical space. When you're not weighed down by possessions, you're free to focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. In the upcoming section, we'll delve into the concept of mindful consumption and how it can help you break free from the cycle of consumerism. Section 5. Mindful consumption, breaking the cycle of consumerism. Minimalism encourages mindful consumption. It's about being intentional with your purchases and questioning whether an item truly adds value to your life. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I need this or do I want it? Consider the item's durability, its impact on the environment, and whether it aligns with your values. By being more conscious of your consumption habits, you not only save money but also reduce waste and support ethical businesses. This shift towards mindful consumption is essential for both our financial well-being and the health of our planet. Section 6. Minimalism and mental clarity. Finding peace in simplicity. Minimalism is not just about physical possessions, it's also about mental clarity and well-being. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind, increasing stress and anxiety. When you simplify your surroundings, you create a sense of calm and order, which can have a positive impact on your mental health. With fewer distractions, you can focus on what truly matters. You have more time and mental space for self-reflection, creativity, and personal growth. In the next section, we'll explore how minimalism can help you cultivate contentment and appreciate the abundance in your life. Section 7. Cultivating contentment. Appreciating what you have. Minimalism encourages gratitude and contentment. When you let go of the desire for more, you begin to appreciate the beauty of what you already have. You find joy in the simple things, like a warm cup of tea, a good book, or a meaningful conversation. This shift in perspective can be incredibly liberating. You realize that happiness is not tied to material possessions, but to experiences, relationships, and inner peace. Let's now look at how to apply minimalist principles to specific areas of your life, starting with your wardrobe. Section 8. Building a minimalist wardrobe, quality over quantity. Applying minimalist principles to your wardrobe can be incredibly freeing. Instead of having a closet overflowing with clothes you rarely wear, focus on building a capsule wardrobe. Choose high-quality, versatile pieces that you love and that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Invest in timeless designs that will last for years to come, and don't be afraid to let go of items that no longer fit, flatter, or spark joy. By simplifying your wardrobe, you not only save time and money, but also reduce decision fatigue and create a sense of calm in your personal style. Section 9. Minimalism in the digital age. Simplifying your online life. Minimalism extends beyond our physical spaces. It also applies to our digital lives. Just like with physical clutter, digital clutter can create stress and overwhelm. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, organize your digital files, and limit your time on social media. By simplifying your online life, you protect your time and attention, allowing yourself to focus on what truly matters. In the next section, we'll discuss the importance of approaching minimalism as a journey, not a destination. Section 10. Minimalism as a journey. Progress over perfection. Remember that minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works best for you and your unique lifestyle. There's no need to strive for perfection or compare yourself to others. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. The key is to focus on the positive changes you're making and the joy that minimalism brings to your life. Finally, let's conclude with a motivational message encouraging you to embrace the transformative power of minimalism. Section 11. Conclusion. Living intentionally, one step at a time. Minimalism is not about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's about creating a life filled with purpose, joy, and meaning. By simplifying your surroundings, consuming mindfully, and cultivating contentment, you can experience greater freedom, financial security, and mental well-being. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Start small, be kind to yourself, and embrace the transformative power of living with less. As you embark on this journey, may you find joy in simplicity, freedom in letting go, and abundance in the present moment.